Pagkalabas ko pa sa school, diretso na po ako sa bahay ang manonood sa YouTube ng piano tutorial. Pagkatapos ko naman po ang piano, nagpa-practice rin po ako mag-roller skate.
Aaliyah is, every time I hear Aaliyah perform, parang pro na siya. Excited ako kasi itong song na gagawin natin for you, not a lot of people see this as a competition song kasi sobrang soft niya. Pero hindi alam ng lahat na sobrang technical ng song na to. Ba yan? Grabe naman kayo mga bata. There's some notes lang, especially dun sa verses na it's very makanto. Si Aaliyah, nakuha niya from the get-go. Grabe, bumibirit shots, parang hindi hirap nakangiti pa. Doon na yung flavor. May mga parts na kailangan mo pang control din. Baka kaya mo dagdagan ng konting hangin. Tandaan mo lang yung notes, okay? Good job, Aaliyah.
Di biro ang sumulat ng hawiting para sa'yo. Para akong isang siraulong hilot-lito sa aking pangmigna ng piano, tingla di pilit nilaro. Pagkasakaling merong tono, bigla na lang pumuspo. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi, tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Wow, third in Aaliyah! Oh my goodness! Kotsak, kaya pa?
Hindi na, Kuya Dong. Sabi ko sa'yo, gusto ko na umuwi. Grabe.
Oh my goodness. Coach Billy,
Sinasabi niyo sa akin, mahirap yung mga kanta pinili ko para sa mga bagets ko? Wow naman, nakakahiya sa'yo, Zach.
Mamaya may explanation ako dyan.
O sige, mag-explain ka dun sa barangay mo.
Nilaban talaga nila yung performance to be the best that it can be. We hope to hear more of that here sa The Voice, even outside, like, keep singing. Both of you, keep singing, keep growing, keep performing. Kasi everyone sa Pilipinas and the world deserves to hear your voice and your talent. So,
thank you, Coach Paolo. At syempre, I'm proud na si Coach Zach.
Alam nyo, for me, I'll say this right now. Siguro ang pinaka-proud akong bata na nandito sa competition na to ay si Third. Sobrang napaproud ako sa ito. The fact na tinuloy mo, yung kanta, hindi ka tumigil, bro. Oh my goodness. Only professionals do that. So palakpakan naman natin si Third.
Thank you po.
Aaliyah! Grabe, Aaliyah. Linis-wise, notes-wise, nasa iyo, honey. Alam mo yun, nasa iyo yung leanness and techniques in terms of performing. Good job to the both of you. I'm really, really proud of you. And yun, we'll see how it goes. Love you guys.
Third, Aaliyah, maraming salamat sa inyo. Pwede na muna kayo mag-relax, okay, ng konti. At sasamahan nyo naman kami panoorin ang pagpapakitang gilas ng inyong teammates na sina Summer and Sophia. The sing-off round continues here on The Voice Kids. Coach Zach, it is your turn. Sino? Kila third, Aaliyah, Summer, at Sophia ang gusto mong lumaban sa semifinal round?
Well, you guys took a lot of responsibility with sing-offs also. And it shows naman that you guys did such a good job. Grabe guys. Galing nyo. Ang galing yung apat. I'm proud of each and every one of you. So, the one moving into the next round is Sophia. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And to all Project Z members. The next and final one that's moving into the next round. This is tough. Tough. The one moving into the next round is Summer.